Before we get into today's video, I just want to give a huge shout out to Dave from the Mustang forums for taking a whopping hit on the shipping charges. He paid a staggering amount, so I'm just gonna link a picture below so you guys can see this, but huge shout out to him. He's the MVP. We wouldn't have made this video possible without him. Here it is, guys. The Trufiber Gurney flat spoiler. It is super light, actually. Much lighter than the one I have on there. Wow. So some of you may be wondering while watching this video, why am I getting rid of this spoiler on here if it comes from pretty nice? I agree with you, but it's not the style that I'm going for. I'm actually going for the Shelby GT500 2013 to 2014 style type of spoiler because that is the most mean aggressive spoiler on the S550 for that year model, and it just looks super great. And this is the answer to my problem for the S550. It just doesn't look as aggressive to me, and don't get me wrong, the clear coat on this is actually really nice. Super high glosses by Anderson Composites, if you guys can see over here, but it's just not the style that I'm going for. And convince me in the comments if I should sell this or not, or maybe I should just keep it, because it costs a pretty penny brand new. So now that we have the plastic trim cover removed, we only have 4 bolts to undo. Got this guy over here in the corner, 2 right here in the middle, and over here on the far right. For this part, I'm not sure if we got to use a heat gun or not, but I do have one on standby, so it shouldn't be that hard. We just got to pull it off from that adhesive tape that's on here. God damn. See that over there? The white part sticking to the spoiler, that's the adhesive. We actually have to get a knife, cut through it, and it should be out. Damn, that looks so good right there. Now, once that's done, we gotta clean this up right here. Take all that adhesive off with the glue gun that I brought. Just get alcohol, rub this all over. We got that spoiler delete going on right now. Almost looks like a baby bullet right here. And you know what? I actually like it without a spoiler. Looks nice. But it just feels very naked. Just to get a little preview on what the rear end looks like right here, we're just test fitting everything, just what it's gonna look like right before it gets bolted on there. That looks incredible. Ooh, look at that. My God. She's bad. She is bad. Hold up. Did you guys see the amount of sun damage that the spoiler came with? Oh, hell no. We're going to take care of that right now. See, it's very glossy. Trufiber, nothing but the best, right? And on this side right here, since it's been exposed to the sun so much, it's very matte. Not really full of life right here, and it does not pop as much on the outside over here.
We did 1,000, 1,500, and then 2,500, and now we're going to cut and polish.
Trap House Auto Detailing. See the floor right here? Oh, this side? Now it looks like $800. Before it looked like $400. Fonzo from Trap House Detailing. 2 more steps to complete. Then we're gonna be done. He just did the final polishing.
Right here.
What is that?
This strips all the polishing agents. Strips them all down.
So smells like alcohol.
It is.
Okay.
It's special alcohol formulated for cars. Probably more than enough to do this swing. Look how glossy that is.
Freaking dummy glossy. Let's get a slow pan, and then we're done right here. That is ridiculous right there. That's brand new.
I'll knock your shit out, peace.
There it is, man. He did a great ass job for a sick ass price. Quality work. It looks good right there. Can't wait to take it out in the sun. Yeah, bro. See ya.